Oh, alright. Hello, 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 hello. If there is anyone here. Yeah, I'm back. I didn't think I would actually stream today, but I'm here. So, let's get to development. Let me just quickly transfer to Unreal. And... No. Wait a second. I think I messed up the buttons. Yeah, this should be better. And now, yes, you can indeed seem Unreal. Alright, so I'll quickly check on to the stream. Hello, Gamedev. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Alright, so... yesterday we left it on the vaulting system, yeah? We're creating a simple vaulting system. So, our Zarkin vault, yeah. We are capable of finding a position on the wall and checking if it's suitable for the character. And I also experimented a little bit with positioning the character to the location we figured out. Yeah. So, and today we need to make it actually look good. Add an animation, remove debugging, and all of that stuff. I have animations from Advanced Locomotion System, but since I was kinda stupid when I was creating my character rig, I cannot use root motion there. Which is, let's just say, unfortunate. Because, the problem is that this is the animation, and it has root motion, but I have a bone above root, which is not good. I think I could try retargeting it again, but I think I didn't back up the animations here. I just retargeted the whole skeleton, did I? Let me just see the reference viewer. Yeah, it doesn't have any animations. Which is, let's just say, unfortunate. Well, we can just make our own animation for that. And not use something pre-made. Which would also be pretty cool. So, what are we gonna do then? Or can I retarget this animation somehow to transfer motion from this bone to this one? That's an interesting question. No, I don't think so. Oh, I can try retargeting it back to the LC character. Let's just mess around with it for a minute. Real engine mannequin skeleton. Should be good. Yeah, just duplicate and retarget it back there. And we don't have our root motion here. We have the pelvis which is moving. Too bad. But that's fixable. We can fix it, I guess. So let me just remove this. We go to mesh. Zar. Let's save everything. And we have our rigs. We have the Zaris skeleton here. Window. Let's go to retarget manager. Where is it? Retarget manager. And we have rig. Let's put it into root. Oh no, maybe not here, not here, not here. I mean, rig is rig here, but we have to go into the Advanced Locomotion System, character assets, mannequin skeleton. Open this one up. Window, retarget manager, root, and set it. Oh, and where is the rig? So this is root. Yeah, hey Proven. I'm adding walls because they are fun to play around with. And I'm just figuring out what am I doing with my rig here. It's been so long since I tried to mess around with it. Rig. So it's a skeleton rig root. And what do we have here? Retarget manager? Ah, it's just, I need this. Oh no. Oh no. I think I can map this. I have some mapping. I'm just gonna do this. Yes! Keep up the grind, I gotta go to work. Good luck working then, Zing Xylem 1. Thanks for joining the stream, at least for a bit. Alright. What is the pose? Here. Target manager. View pose? Oh yeah, the pose is fine. Pose is fine, so let's try retargeting it again. Actions. Let's take this one. Retarget, duplicate. So back to this thing. Wow. Which of the skeleton? I don't remember this. Oh, what happened? I pressed something. Something happened. Alright, let's just pretend it didn't happen. Let's go back. Actions. Retarget. Let's retarget it to the ELC skeleton. I think I was changing that one. Retarget. So. And the root isn't moving. Why? I thought I actually did set it up. Yeah, I think we'll end up actually creating new animations. So, rig is root. Yes, rig is root. Rig is root. Zar rig is rig. Is it? Rig is rig. Yes, everything seems to be fine. What's wrong with that? Ah, I know, I know. Here, because I'm retargeting from this character to that one, so I need to set rig as root here, because it's root that's moving. Oh, this is so complicated. This shouldn't be. And all of them. Hello, Aeromedia Project. Nice to see you here. I mean, all of my problems are happening here because I thought that renaming a skeleton in Blender is a good idea. Don't, just call it armature and it will be fine. So where am I? I need to just retarget, duplicate, retarget, LC, retarget, and I mean, it changed something. Rig is root. Here, when we're transferring to this thing, rig is also root. So when I'm transferring from that thing to that thing, we should take this data, shouldn't we? Or maybe we have some root motion enabled? I don't think so. No, I don't think we have. That's interesting. That's generally interesting. Character mannequin. Animation examples, actions. Let's see the original here. So rig isn't moving, root is moving. So we're taking. So its skeleton is our skeleton, correct? In Target Manager, we're saying it that. What we mean is root. I'm making a game too, and the climbing animation doesn't look very smooth. Yeah, climbing animations are really hard to pull off. I mean, I haven't really done it, any smooth ones, but I know that it's super hard. So, I think we're just gonna go and create new animation. It's gonna be easier and it will save us a ton of time. Because retargeting those just don't seem possible. Alright, I forgot the word. Oh, she has her own name here. So, this is some animations for the thumbnails. Let's just... this is the action editor. I'm already starting to forget. What am I supposed to do here? Actually, when the player is on top of the wall. Yeah. Those things happen. Animations look junky a lot of the time. But I mean, it's our job to make them look good. So, this is our character. Select the rig, this is a base pose. Hide the camera, I don't need it. And let's create a new action. Maybe like, call it Vault. Let's call it Vaulting. Yeah. And so how are we gonna do this? I think I'm gonna... Ну да. Россия, все правильно. Alright, sorry. I didn't expect it to be Russian. Земляки мы с тобой. Alright. So it's 0.5. 0.5. Yeah. And this is a 1 meter cube. And she will hold it. So, the initial pose. What is the initial pose then? We're gonna... What is the initial pose here? I'll just stop it for a second. It's just this weird pose. Where is the idle? Idle. Let's select all bones. Contracts. Copy. Now let's copy pose. Vaulting. Oops, sorry. Paste in the pose. Key everything. Nice. Maybe let's move the box a little bit further. And so, what does the animation look like here? She puts the right hand onto it and does a jump with bringing her right leg up into this pose. So basically what we have, so how long is the animation here? It is 45 frames long. I mean, if 45 frames work for this one, then let's do it. Somewhere at like 10. First key pose is gonna be. No, oh, not like this. And I should set it to global. And go like this. Put hand here. What's happening? Ah, let's set it back to local. I don't really wanna mess with fingers here. I'll fix it later, I guess. So she's carrying a ball or something in this hand. What's gonna happen when she's gonna vault with the spear in her hand? And we'll figure it out. Doesn't really matter. So this leg is raised a little. Right now this does look a little weird. Let's raise that before it. Maybe alter the pose a little bit. Alright, so it doesn't really feel that great, honestly. I think I should move this then a little bit more. Oh, this is low FPS. Why is the FPS so low? All of these things. I don't know what any of these things are. Hi, Hotpo! Glad to see you here. Haven't talked to you in a while. So how are you doing? I'm making it to look so easy. Yeah, maybe. Just gotta fix the FPS though. All of this. Wait, are they still unparented? They don't seem to be. I think I've already unparented them. Default spear. No, there are barely any things rigged to it. Wait. Are the outlines enabled? No. The outlines aren't enabled. This is weird. Just fine, got a kid, so I've been working on installing it. Nice. Happy for you. Hope you're happy too. Oh, yeah. So. Hello, D4T4G04R3. Hello. Yeah, that's a hell of a name. Hope I actually pronounced it correctly. Alright, so. Yeah, the FPS doesn't really matter that much. Let's just see what's next here. Up. This pose. When she's standing on... Yes. This is the pose. It's gonna look a little weird at first, but trust the process. Oh, I don't think knees should bend like this. She should actually be even higher than this. Wow. I think I should bring it over like this. Yeah, he was planned. So what's going on? Are you making your own animations? So yes, because I have troubles with retargeting the acid animations. This is like an acid animation, but it doesn't have root motion, so I can't actually move the character with it. Instead it has motion here, and I don't know how to transfer it. I tried a little bit, figured that it's probably gonna take a lot more time than creating my own animations. Yeah. So, up. And, oh, here is leg controller. Up. Yep. Nice. But she should be standing with one of her arms. Well, the geometry on the skirt is just messed up. I'll have to do it. Well, it makes sense. Also gives her its own identity. Yeah, exactly. So let's do this. I don't know how to fix the skirt. Maybe I should just add more polish to it. What if I add more polish? I'll have to fix it. It's like wave painting, which isn't an option right now. Tool on. I mean, we might actually try and fix it after we're done with the animation. So, up, and yeah, the spacing. No, whoa, that's messed up. That's messed up. Yes. And do it like this. Oh, the nightmare. Using like cloth meshes. Yeah, I'm doing it in a rather janky way, so it's just like a part of the character which is simply rigged to her to follow the moment, so I don't have to perform like simulations. And it gives me hell sometimes. Most of the time it looks kinda good, but here, nah. Now we also have some problems here. How to fix them? Oh, I can rotate this thing and something happens. Yeah, good cloth simulation. I mean, if done correctly, it can look really good, but it's really hard to do correctly, to get it done correctly. I tried, didn't figure out how to do it. Like this. So what does it look like? Currently it looks a little janky. Where is the knee target? Do it like this. Yeah, so you know how much pain it is too. So it doesn't look like a jump. So it should go like So I think I should place it correctly here. Like this. And then yo. Yo. Oh wait, I think I placed it in the wrong position. This should do it. Yo. Yeah, the FPS isn't good. If I go solid, it's gonna be better. It's not going better. Even if it's solid. Maybe there are some other animations playing. Cameras? I mean, cameras are rigged too, but they aren't rigged to this rig. Bow. Oh, what is this rig? It's not rigged to anything, so it doesn't really matter. So, bow. Is bow animated? No, I mean, it's not animated at this track. I cannot really work with this frame rate there. It does some calculations, which I do not understand. We have default speed, kunai. Can I unparent them here? I cannot select them while they are hidden, so I have to find them. Oh, here is the kunai. Alt P. Oh, Alt P? Ah, I should do it in an object mode. Alt P, clear parent. Alt P, clear parent, keep transform. What? This is weird. But alright. What's else parented to her? Default speeder. I might need that, actually. Spear? So this is the spear. And it doesn't have the outline enabled. There's nothing here. So I don't think that's causing it to lag. Hair? There aren't that many vertices there. Bow rig, clothes, hair rig. Zar. Default spear. It's weird. Yo. Yo. Right, let's play around with it anyway. Let's go in here. Select all of this. So, what is giving us the vertical movement? The illusion of a jump. This thing gives. It goes from here to here. So, let's expand this thing. I only need the hips. End of the hips. I don't need a scale. Mostly what I need is the Z location. Wait, there's... Ah, that's no key. That's controller. Can I scale it vertically somehow? I don't think so. No. Whoa. What is it Z? Wow, that's the reason. Because it's not Z. It's not Z, it's something else. Let's try this thing then. Huh? Where did it go? Like this. Ah, wait. Choo. I think it's just the key in. Let's select all of the keys here and scale them down so it's faster. Choo. Maybe this isn't fast enough. And shoo. And so to place it actually there, just to bring it out even more. So saying this the name, I'm guessing you're making the game more vertical. Maybe verticality for some base action. Yeah, I think we're gonna add some more things like for vertical things, because I'm gonna change the map and we're working on like a vaulting system. So on the last stream we managed to figure out the location where you should vault to, but now, I mean, vaulting is just teleportation and I want to fix that. That's basically what we're doing here. Phew. No, I still don't like it actually. I don't know why, but it seems a little off to me. So let's move it. This. Sure. So. Oh, here. The arm is stretching. Yeah, makes sense. Shoot. And, I mean, we need to do the same thing somewhere, to stop somewhere up there. Oh. Copy everything to this thing. Oh. But I think I'm making a mistake right now. I am making a mistake. I'm not moving the root bone. So, not this root bone, it doesn't really make any sense to move it. This, because it's like, it's gonna be the same thing as we already have in Unreal. I'm talking about the hips motion. Yeah, I think I messed up again. That's not good. Because the thing is, to get root motion, I gotta move the character here. So basically, I should be moving the character when she's doing this. Oh no. So, yeah. Guess we have to redo everything because... So, let's save this thing for just now. And go redo all of this. Because the thing is, let's just do the basic movement for now. Like at the 30, at frame 30, we want to move the character from here to there. And how are we gonna do it? We're gonna do it this way. We're gonna have her somewhere like here around this time. Yeah, Gamedev. That's Gamedev. You just do something and then scrap it all and start from the scratch. Sure. I mean, it's not too good, but we can work with this actually. Where is the rig, hips, object, transform? Let's hide all of those things. Don't need them right now. Only object. And positions. Which positions are this? Z and Y, I guess. Don't need any of this. Sure. No, the Z thing. And Y? Let's hide the Y then, for now. Yep. Cool. I mean, it's gonna be like 2 times as fast in the engine because of the current frame rate. No, I haven't worked for any gaming companies, and I'm completely self-taught. I mean, I couldn't work for any companies because I just turned 18 like less than a month ago. Yeah, in 2 days it's gonna be a month since I became kinda grown up, at least on the paper. So, well, but I mean, game dev is a lot of fun, and learning it is a part of that fun. And even making mistakes is sometimes fun, because it teaches you something. Thanks. Yep. Up. Isn't 30 a little too late? Maybe like this? Sure. Yes, this looks better. This actually looks good. Yeah. I mean, it starts like going up instantly, which isn't good. It isn't desirable. So I think what I think is to take this thing and actually duplicate it somewhere over here. You really have talent. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. I really like that you like what I'm doing. Oh, what was that? Yeah. See, that's what curves do. Even though it's completely flat interpolation curve, it still messes things up. Gonna go, baby buggy. Jill. Thanks for joining. Good luck there. Hi, Taya, GM. Good morning. Yeah. I mean, for me, it's already not morning. Yeah. A year ago, I would say that it's a morning. Don't. Yeah. Thanks, Hotpo. I really like when people say things like this. It means a lot. Thanks. Am I blushing? Alright, so let's continue. Shoo! So we're gonna do some prep movement here and go like hop hop. Yeah. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Yeah, seems nice. Let's work on the actual animation now. And let's put an arm. So let's move this thing a little. Put her arm onto it. Rotate the thing. Rotate the thing. Rotate the other thing. And all right. This thing. I think it should be vertical. When you're vaulting on something, you want to keep your hands like vertical, because that's the most steady way. All right. And here we go. We got our leg up. We get our arm not stretch. Yeah. Get the shoulder forward. And so let's change this thing a little. Go. All right. No. And out of this position. So I'm gonna move this thing a little bit down. Why? Because the roach is moving, but I don't really want the character to move this here. So I want the roach to move. So wait, I haven't pinged the roach at that position. That's a mistake. Up. Ping everyone. Everything. Sure. Now let's... Oh, maybe not. Let's not bring that down. Just bring the hips down. Whoa. This looks a little weird. Put the arm onto the thing. So let's bring it even more down. Yep. Where was the hand at the previous frame? I have to position it the exact same way. Damn, this doesn't look good. I will need to fix the weight job on the mesh. But I think I'm gonna completely redo the mesh, actually. It should be in this to-do list to the left. Oh, this does look a little weird. Yeah, like this. So where was the hand? The hand was here. Oh, right in the middle of the screen. And now it went forward significantly, and we should move it back to make the animation consistent. Mm-hmm. Now and let's shoo. So where is our anchor point? Is it moving the way it should be? Yeah, the anchor point is moving the way it should be, but the hands and all of that stuff isn't. That's fixable. And we just move it up, position it. And do our best to keep it in position. Wait, where is it? Where are the game frames? Where did all of the keyframes go? Well, this is weird. Did I press something? Cube action. Vault in here. Oh. Base Blender. They just disappeared and then reappeared. Make it go like this. Here we should stabilize it. Again, like this. So, yeah, this does actually look somewhat good. I think we shouldn't raise like this much here. We should just start raising the leg, and then we will go like shoo, and I think here the leg should already be on top of the line. Where is the marker? Target. Run bone. Oh, she's very stretchy. But somewhere over here, like here, she should bring this leg up. Like, not like she can place it through the wall. And sure. And now to actually get up. Nothing. Let's copy all of this. All of this apart from the location. What? Did I select something? I select the wrong thing. Select it. Sure. Well, this is actually starting to look somewhat decent. So I should make this hand go like this here. Let's. Yep. I can fix it. Sure. Yo. I just need to somehow remove the clipping and we're gonna be fine. Now, phew. No. Hmm. Whoa. Whoa. And this already looks somewhat good. Let's export it and see what it looks like in the engine. We'll fix everything we haven't fixed later. So, just before that, I'm gonna check how my stream's going. Yeah, my stream seems to be fine. That's good. Alright, let's export the thing. I'm just gonna export the skeleton. I'm gonna export the character. So let's just remember where to put things. Zaris 3D models exported. Zaris animations. It's a vault animation. Selected objects. Armature, adlib bones, no. Bake animations, analyze script selections, no. Export FBX. So it has exported. Now let's go to the thing and try importing it. Zaris. Meshes. Zar. Animations. And let's import it. What is this? This is sprinkler animations? No, not animations, but just sprinkler meshes. Oh yeah, this is the vault animation. And apply it to the Zar skeleton. Import. So yeah, this is what it looks like an engine. Not too bad, if I can say that. Let's enable root motion. But first, before enabling root motion, let me just go like rig. Can I see the details? The bones? Yes, I can. And the end position here is 55, 90, 55, 96, 97, I guess. So we're gonna need that a little later. Let's just create a montage right now. Vault animation montage. Nice. It might be a little too fast, but we'll see. I mean, I can go and set it to like 0.75, which actually looks better. Which actually looks pretty damn good. Rate scale. Yes. Nice. Now, oh wait, I forgot to re-enable the root motion there. Enable root motion. Yeah, this looks weird right now, but it's because it should be weird. Slot? What's the slot name? I think it's just the default slot, yeah. What if now we just go to the character Zar, and instead of setting this position and just finishing the vaulting, we're going to do something different. Let's play montage. We will need to adjust the character's location a little later. That's what we need those numbers for. So this is uncompleted. Oh, I haven't plugged in the skeletal mesh component. How is it working? Magic. That's pure magic. Alright, so. Oh, this is weird. This is weird. Oh. Lol, I got stuck. I cannot roll it up there, of course. I don't think the root motion is working, actually. I have a feeling like the root motion isn't working. So, is there any, like, root motion settings on the montage? I don't think so. Let's go to the blueprint and adjust it. Oh, this is a mess. I forgot how messy this thing is. I mean, the animation blueprint itself looks fine, but the data extraction thing... No. Yeah. So, root motion from everything. It's root motion from everything. Wow. How isn't it working? Wait, I do have root motion working from the spear animations. Let's just see how it's done there. Spear attack 1. So we have the enable root motion, ref pose, use normalized root motion, and it's all fine here in the montage. But I don't have any specific things in the montage. The slot is the default one. So it should actually be fine. Let's go to the vault. The settings are all the same. So, maybe, just maybe, it is happening, but I'm not noticing it. Oh, wait. Can it be compensating? Can it be compensated by gravity? Wow, that's actually an interesting theory. Let's disable gravity then. Set gravity scale. What is the gravity scale here? Gravity scale 1. Let's set it to 0. And then after that, let's set it to 1. I mean, who knows? Maybe it is compensated by gravity. Oh. This isn't good. Oh, what did I just do? I pressed F1. Ah, that's because I should disable gravity re-enable gravity after this. Wait, no, there is root motion. It is moving forward, but I don't think it's moving up. But this looks weird, you know? This looks weird. So the gravity isn't helping. Let's just get rid of it. Let's get rid of the gravity settings. Right, let's just adjust the sector, set actor location, and maybe it's gonna figure itself out. I mean, that's how it sometimes works. And how am I gonna figure it out? So, I should set block all input to true. That's actually something very important. Then we will unlock the inputs. We will get actor forward vector. No, it's not the forward vector. Because I can grab onto the thing like this. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine. Let's just get actor forward vector. Multiply it by. So, what is it? The rigs. It's because the root motion is enabled. If I disable root motion, it goes like y is 55, so I should just go minus 55. Am I correct? I hope I am. And go plus minus 97, I think that was. And then add it all to the location and use that as our new location. So we're actually positioning the character in the right spot. Oh, I haven't re-enabled the root motion. Enable the root motion. Wait, the gravity is doing its thing. What if I just deactivate the whole character movement thing? Instead of blocking the input. Now, I think I should block the input. Block all input. I should block the input. But here I should activate it. Yeah. Oh, what was that? Block all input. So it's like I have to re-enable it after that. But it doesn't seem to bring me up there. Oh, I just jumped. Yeah, the root motion just doesn't seem to make me go up. Why? And if I set it to be like this, if I adjust it here, what happens then? So if I leave like this, does it look? Well, that's not even close to where the character should be to get up there. Minus 30? No. Not even minus 30. It should be minus 50 actually, I think. Maybe it's minus 25. Because she's climbing a meter cube in this animation. And I don't understand. If I go 0 on it, is it gonna look better? Oh, this actually looks like it's supposed to be like that. But it's not putting her in the right position. If I enable root motion, why is root motion only making me go forward? So let me just allow me to trigger this thing with some key. Let's go like V. Oh, I don't know. Not this thing, but just like period. So I am actually moving forward. I'm just not moving up. Let's quickly Google it. Unreal Engine 4 root motion Z-axis. Someone has this problem too? I got it thanks to this. Why is seeing the root motion ignores Z movement unless the play is in the flying movement mode. Oh, I show guts. Who would have thought? Oh. Set movement mode to flying. I mean, how is one supposed to figure this out? Without Googling. I don't know. Oh yeah, at least it was a quick search. What is the default mode? I think it's walking. So they're walking, nav mesh walking, fall lane swimming, flying and custom. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm using walking by default. And the gravity is annoying me. And I have removed the deactivation sequence. I should deactivate it then. First set it to flying mode, then deactivate it. And what if it's gonna work? Maybe it's not going to work. That would be... how should I put it? Undesirable. Activated. Activate. Oh, yeah. So it doesn't really seem to be working. I think it's because we're deactivating it. Wait. Gravity? Apply gravity while the character is actively jumping. Gravity. Get gravity zoom. Set gravity scale to 1. Here. Set gravity scale to 0. Because I think deactivating the thing doesn't help one bit. Oh. Wow! Have you seen that? Third time, but it's working. Third time, but it's working! Oh, yes! We're getting somewhere. I think I'm setting this distance a little too far. We're getting somewhere. Oh. Why is it working only for with the third time? What's special about the third time? Oh, here it worked with the second time. Up, hop, and it just climbs it the third time. What? Let's also override the XY. So actually stop all over a moment. Whoa! Wow, wait. This is actually working. I don't know if anyone is in stream right now, but it's working! I mean, it's too slow, I guess. The game shouldn't be this slow. I mean, pretty much every game I make is eventually turned into something like a moment shooter. Shoot. Yo. So this looks more like vaulting now. So let's raise this thing so I can climb. So I cannot climb there, but can climb here. So blend out time. Half a second. Blending time. Blending time seems to be normal. Yeah, but the camera moment. So why is it shaking? Hmm. The blend out time. The blend out time. No, it's not good to have that much of a blend out time. Hmm. That's why it looks janky. Is it the character shaking on the camera? That's a question. That's actually a pretty decent question. I don't know what curve should I use for that, so let's just leave it linear. I mean, I'm not talking about the initial shake because that's obvious. I think it's from the adjustment. It's from the adjustment, yes. It's from that moment when the character adjusts its position after we perform the thing. So, let's actually give it some tolerance then. I think it is because of the tolerance system in the voting component. So let's just get the tolerance. Check tolerance and add it to the Z. And we should be fine. Weird. I think it only amplified the thing. Then maybe I should like subtract it and not add. Whoa! You see it? There is no shaking after that. I mean, at least it is. No, there is some shaking. Oh no, my mom is calling me. Wait a second. I'm gonna mute the mic. Alright, so everything's fine. Let's get back to development. You should be able to see it again. Yeah, I think you see it. Alright, yeah, everything's fine. I just checked it. Wait, why did my chat disappear on... Ah, yeah. Now it's back. Cool. Yeah, everything's fine. Let's get on with development. We managed to get this to look somewhat good. So we need to smooth out the transition to the vaulting position. How? How do we do that? We can do it by adding a timeline. Add timeline. So this is vault snap timeline. All right. And it's alpha. Goes from 0, 0, length 1 to 1, 1. I think 1 is a little bit too much. But we'll see, we'll see. And let's just add some small into it. Oh. Yep. Could be nice. Now, this is for when it is finished. Restart the animation when we are already in position. It goes play from start. And update is... What is update then? We need to save the initial position. Or. Yeah, I think we should save the initial position. I don't think there is any other way to make it as convenient as it's gonna be with this way. So it's Vault Snap Initial Position Vector. Let's just save it. Get actor position location. Yeah. And set it to linear interpolation between. So this is the alpha. This is the thin. And the target position. It should be better now, but I think it's gonna be super slow. But it's proof of concept. Yeah, it is super slow. Well, and it is super weird, actually. I think I should set it change the movement mode after I snap the character to it. Yeah, I think that's more logical. So, of all of this, add this here, plug this into finished. It is super slow. Whoa, and what's with the rotation? It seems really weird. Right, so to change the speed of the thing, we can go like get vault snap timeline, set rate, set play rate, like 2. That should be fine. Cool. No, 2 isn't enough. 4. Cool. Oh. Yeah, sometimes... I don't think that using the forward vector is a good idea. But using the normal of the thing is also not a good idea. Because, for example, if I'm gonna use the normal of the wall, it is gonna be fine, of course. But, if I'm, for example, climbing rocks, let's just imagine that I'm climbing rocks. Where can I find some rocks? Foliage types. If I'm climbing a rock like this. So this is portal static. Yeah, you can see that its normals are a mess. Its normals are gonna be a mess. Let me just scale it up a little. And there will be some really weird snapping. And the forward vector is not the desirable thing for us to use here. Let's open up the vault component and figure something out. So what we want is to replace this vector. Maybe it's because the forward vector is actually changing. I think we could adjust it, just maybe maybe even fix it. If we saved the vault snap target position. Vault snap target position. We saved it at the beginning and didn't calculate it afterwards. Maybe this is gonna help us. Wait, there is still some like weird adjustments. I think those weird adjustments are from the capsule, yeah. Because they're only staying on the uneven surfaces. Oh wait, here it was fine. Weird. Wait, what? It's just that sometimes maybe it's not the forward vector we should use. Let's use the forward vector of the mesh. Get forward vector. What if that's the way? Maybe the rotation is a little different or something. Nah, it's all the more weird actually. Too bad. Why though? Because it's facing that way. That is its forward vector. Oh, so I think I can rotate vector around axis. Like, what is it? To the right it's 90 degrees. Should be. So it's just working. Oh, just not always. Looks weird. Maybe I should snap to the normal of the wall. But what am I gonna do if the normal is messy? It's like a big mess like this. I don't actually need to use its Z vector if it's messy. I need to only use the X and Y components. Yeah, let's do that. Let's use the thing. We will need to adjust this thing to 2 parameters and pass the F vector wall normal. When we are broadcasting it, so it's on the start vaulting to F vector wall normal. F vector wall normal. Wall normal. Yes, good. Now start vaulting, and it is, I think it's just the hit dot normal. Why isn't IntelliSense working? Doesn't matter. Let's recompile thing. Oh, this is gonna take a few seconds. Yeah, I'm a little sleepy. Ooh. I mean, it is going a little better than I expected it to go. I didn't think we would do the animation this fast. Though the root motion doesn't look as good as it could be. So it's as usual, better than expected, worse than it could be. Please compile faster. Yo, I can be supersonic. Yo. I think this is taking some time. Yeah. NPCs, AI. What are these things? I mean, I remember what are these things, but how do they work? Some behavior trees. Wow. NPCs. Ah, yeah, this cool dialogue plugin. Yes, this really cool dialogue plugin. I like it. So it has compiled. Let's see if it's actually working now. I need to remove this event, recompile the thing, go to vaulting, on start vaulting, and now it gives me two parameters. It's the location and the wall normal. So the wall normal, I'm gonna mask it out. Only the X and Y elements, because I don't want the vertical element here. After which I'm gonna normalize it, because its length is probably gonna be less than 1. Then I'm gonna multiply it by 50. Not minus 50, because it's already facing the opposite direction. With the forward vector we had to rotate it 180 degrees. Here we don't have to. So this is weird. It doesn't seem. Wait, what? This is weird. Weird. Alright, let's draw debug line start. A line start is the location, line end is the target location. It's gonna be red. Red, I said. Nice. It's gonna last for like 5 seconds and it's gonna be 10 points thick. Nice. And it's still black. Ah, because I'm stupid. It's black because I'm stupid. Now it's red. So yeah, the thing is alright. We just need to rotate the character the right way. So let's create a new variable. This is like vault snap initial the rotation. It's gonna be float. Get actor rotation. This one up. Z. And the target rotation. What is the target rotation? Should we actually add it as a thing? I don't think we need. So we'll just set actor rotation. Get actor rotation here, because we don't need to change the X and Y elements. We will leave them as they are, and we will lerp with this alpha between the initial one. And what is the target one? The target one is so this is basically our inverted forward vector. This is our forward vector, and I think I can just rotation from X vector, and then just bring it over here, break rotation, and yeah. What is this? Well, what is that? What was that? Ah, the thing is, why that happened? I mean, I can simulate that issue. Yes. Because it's a negative and it goes to positive. It doesn't know that it loops. This is why we're gonna use a trick. Rather interesting one indeed. Lerp rotator. We're gonna lerp rotator because it has this shortest path thing. But we're not gonna fill all of those things. We're just gonna go this and this. This way it's gonna lerp a simple rotator. It doesn't really make any sense to put this in. We don't need them. But it's gonna find the shortest path. Don't know if it's actually optimized, but it gets the job done. So let's simulate. I mean, yeah, it doesn't rotate awkwardly now. No. Let's remove the debug line. So, this is actually somewhat smooth. Yeah, I will need to change the collision of the rocks if I want the character to climb on them. Because currently the collision isn't really good. You cannot climb on it. So, let's go and remove the drawback helpers here. All of them, so we don't get those weird fleshy things. And we should actually be good. Let's wait for the compilation. It should actually run quickly. Or maybe not, maybe it's gonna reconstruct the whole thing because it doesn't find the lines. Don't know if actually commenting something out has to requires the whole recompilation for the thing. Maybe everything requires a whole recompilation. Don't know how it works, but sometimes it's very fast and sometimes it's kind of long. All right, it has compiled, and I mean, Volchan is working. It's not like super awesome, but yeah, the snapping. But I think I can adjust the distance it snaps us from. Hmm. Let's go. Vaulting component 100. Wall extension 25. Seems nice. Cool. Cool. Let's put a box like this thing right to this thing. Maybe another one somewhere over here. And we should be able to climb up the wall. So, shoop. Cool. Cool. Yay. Whoa. I can... Shoo. Cool. So how does it feel on the controller? Because right now I'm using keyboard and mouse. It should also feel pretty great. Alright, I took the controller. I can jump on that thing straight away. I think I should reduce the jump height. Because currently you can jump like 2 meters high. Reduce it. How to reduce it? I think I'm using the default thing. Jump and fall and jump Z velocity to 100 or something. And we will need to add a skill that actually raises that. Because currently some things are broken. So now when you can't really jump that high, it's pretty useful. There is some stuttering still, and I don't like that. I kinda have to fix that. I think the snapping is a little too obvious. But I don't really know how to hide it. Apart from making new animations. More exaggerated ones. That might actually be an option though. So how does the climb... Oh. How does the climbing look when you have a spear? Looks fine. I also have an idea to make vaulting activate with the jump button. So only if you're holding the jump button will you vault. Because currently even if you're just falling, and if you want to fall, you will grab onto something. I mean, like... Yep, I wasn't holding anything. Well... Cool. Cool. Let's do that then. It's not that hard to do. It shouldn't be, at least. But I just need to know what is the jump button then. We have... It should adjust this thing. And... then let's also get aiming. No. Get aim input. So if we're not trying to aim, we should grab. And if we're aiming, we're not grabbing onto the thing. And let's also add something else. What was I gonna add? Yeah, the jump button. Jump. Was jumping. Get press jump. Variable when true player wants to jump. Let's see how it looks. No. This isn't the thing we want. Not this. I mean, it might actually be easier for us to add that in code by ourselves than to try and do it on blueprints. I mean, let's do that then. So we have input. Bool jump button down equals false. So do we have an jump? See jump. And let's add another function for like void release jump. Let's go into here, see jump, jump. So are we calling the C jump here from this thing? Yep. Jump button down equals true. Or maybe I should, yeah, I think I can use C jump in other ways without calling the release jump after it. So let's change the things a little. Void press jump. Let's create we have defined those things there. Let's now implement them. Press jump and void and release jump. Take this, put this here and here, but here we should call it false, and here we'll go C jump. Now let's go to the input thing. Let's find the press jump and press the jump button. And here we're gonna go and release jump. Nice. Oh, not pressed though, released. Yep, like this. Let's recompile. There is actually a possibility that we'll have to restart the engine, because when you recompile and stuff like that, you might need that. So let's close everything. Maybe that will help it reload faster. Compilation failed? What? Did I mess something up? Ah. That's an error without errors. Based. Just compile it again and it should work. Yay! Works. At least it seems so. So, am I getting any... Yeah, errors, well, lane. Let's close this thing. Let's also close this. And restart Unreal. Real quick. Oh. So is the stream fine? The stream seems to be fine. Yeah. It's on my phone. Everything looks good. Zaris. All right. Oh. Oh. Oof, oof. All right, we're back. Let's go to. We don't actually need this. Remove it. Go Zaris maps. That was an example map. Wait, and I need to reopen that thing. Blueprints, characters, Zar. Get jump button down. Here we go. We should be able to do that thing. Oh yeah, only if I'm holding the jump button will I snap onto things. Well, the maximum holding height is actually pretty high. And I need to change the jump and animation, really. It doesn't look good. And there are some that snapping, it's a little too snappy, I think. Where does its snappiness come from? Cool. So, the snappiness at the end is coming from the character adjusting its position, not to be inside of anything. So that's why we should probably actually expand the area where we shouldn't put our character. So, yeah, the check-in distance, like 60 radius, increasing it. Could increase it, and I mean, it's not gonna fix it, but it's gonna make it less obvious in some other things. So where is it putting me? And when you're jumping, oh, what was that? Wow. Cool. 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 Let's climb the blue screen. Wow. This looks funny. So let's climb more things. Can I climb an enemy? I don't think so. They aren't for old static. Worth trying though. But I don't think I will be able to climb this guy. He'll just start spamming his. Can I climb you? I don't think so. I don't think I can climb him. Alright, took one down. Go. Go. Ah! Boom. 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 And two. Now that guy's gonna strike remotely. Two. Boom. He's gonna come back. Right? Boom. Boom. And yes, finish it off with melee. Just one arc metal. Yeah. Can I climb him? No. Doesn't look like it. Hmm. Doesn't look like I can. But should I be able to climb them, though? I don't know. That's a question. I like the speed lines. It's from our first stream, and they look really good. How long have I been streaming already? Because I'm starting to get rather tired. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the climbing, it doesn't feel the best, but it feels kind of good. Up. You can vault things. It looks better than it did yesterday. I have the shock traps. And one down. You cannot vault things when you're aiming. Good. Maybe I should also check for these things, not to be this slippery. I can check for that. I can totally check for that. But should I though? So let's try to adjust the collision of. Let's see what at least the collision of this thing looks like. Simple collision. Oh. Oh well. I mean, it's trying to resemble the shape of the rock, yeah? It is trying its best to resemble the shape of the rock. And I cannot say that it's a bad thing. Climbing this rock is a pain. What about these rocks? Whoa, this is big. These things are big. So, I think we should better go to the current main map and just climb things there. That's gonna be better. There aren't many things to climb though, apart from those rocks. And I cannot climb them? What? Alright, let's adjust that. I think it's in the collision settings. And bam. What's the collision settings for that? Block hole dynamic. Block hole? What's their collision type though? What is their collision type? Custom. I don't seem to figure out what's the collision type. Because I can only climb world static things. But these things don't seem world static. Oh yeah, now it's working. Yeah, these rocks should have the collisions adjusted. Bigger rocks definitely should have the collisions adjusted. So what is this rock? I think it's this one actually. What is it? Oh no. This doesn't look great. If I apply the convex collision again, I'll count 8. Are you kidding me? I think I should increase the precision. Oh no, that's too much of the precision? Like this. What? You didn't increase one bit. It actually only looks worse. Let's add another 0 there then. Hit this. Oh, this is taking a while. But this does look better though. Not the best, but better. Let's increase the max height vertices. And wait for it to calculate. Don't know if that's that much better. So what are the settings here? 824. What? It's not 40,000. It's 400,000. Yeah. Let's adjust all of them then. 824. So it's yeah. Let's let it calculate it. Maybe it's actually this rock. Yeah, it's this rock. Now to this thing. 824. 40,000. 400,000. Poop. Yeah, it's still not the best, but better than it was before. Let's check it. And what? Why can't I climb it? And now I cannot climb it at all. It got reset back to block all dynamic. It should just be block all. Maybe I should be able to grab onto the world dynamic objects too. That's something I don't really know. Depends on what world dynamic objects are. So, I mean, we are climbing onto it. But we're immediately falling thrown from it. So. Yeah, eventually we can get where we want, but it looks super janky. And we will have to do something about that. I mean, there aren't that many things to climb here. Yeah, unfortunately. And that's why I'm gonna change the map. There are gonna be a lot more things to climb around with. On. Wait, why the sensitivity here is so much lower? I mean, it's lower than on the other map. Wait, don't tell me that my sensitivity settings are actually dependent on the frame rate. If that's how it is, then it's super funny. Oh wait, it's not here where I'm rotating the camera. It's gonna be super funny if that's the case. Camera. Zaris camera actor. And it definitely seems so. Yes, it definitely seems so. That's actually pretty funny. So we have the delta time, and we can fix that then. But, I mean, if we multiply the thing by the delta time, we need to also multiply it by something else. Because currently it's gonna just dump the whole thing down. Because, I mean, what is the time between a frame when we have 60 frames a second? This is how much we have. And my aim, I'm usually playing, I was setting up the sensitivity on 144 frames a second. And how can I divide 1 by this? 1 divided by this. It's 144. Yeah, I'm stupid. I have good grades in the math, but I'm a little stupid sometimes. That's why I was inverting the thing 2 times and figure out what the hell. Oh, my controller is, yeah, feedbacking. So now the sensitivity is pretty high, and it should actually be stable across all of the things. 0.5 or something. 0.5 for aiming. So I'm also turning too fast. This looks a little weird. I think my sensitivity is still too high. And I want the defaults to be 1 and 0.0, so I need to increase it 2 times. 77? 77. Do it like that, and check if it's going good. Yeah, seems to be going good. Cool. Yeah. Alright, so there aren't many things to climb here, unfortunately. That's what we're gonna work on next, I think. Yeah. But, I mean, it does look somewhat decent. But there is some snapping, and I don't know where it's coming from, unfortunately. I don't know where it's coming from. So I know, but I don't know how to fix it. Yeah, let's just put it like that. So I think I can adjust some of it to make it look a little bit better if I disable the collision while we are vaulting. Of the collision of the capsule component. Because the thing is, you cannot put the character into the ground. Like, if I see So if I start the game, then I eject. So let's see. You can see I'm trying to lower it, but there is this statuine because it just doesn't allow you to put your character into like the ground, so it doesn't fall through the ground. But we don't want it while we're vaulting. Yeah, we don't really want that. So I guess I'm gonna disable it. How? No. How am I gonna disable? Are there any class default options for that? Character. Camera. Collision. That's actually interesting. I don't think there is a way, so let's just disable the collision for the time being. I said collision enabled. Yeah, I'm getting really tired. It's also super hot here. Super hot. Alright. And it's back to collision enabled. Is it collision enabled though? Yes, it's collision enabled. And now, if we're vaulting, will we get those weird starters? I don't think we will get them. So the only weird starter we get is at the end. But there are no weird starters mid vaulting. Which is pretty good. I think I should make the animations look better though. Yep, up. Yo. 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 Yeah. Yo. 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 Yep. Climbed up the thing. Yeah. It's not loaded though. Boom. Boom. Can I explode it from here? Oh, I landed at least one of them. Yo. Yo. Boom. Oh. Oh. I don't have any arrows. Any heavy arrows left? So let's adjust the trajectory, because this arrows fly much more straight. Boom. And let's explode the last one. I have 2 arrows left. Whoa. Genius. So let's figure out how we're gonna do all this, guys. So I can destroy one. Can I get the arrow back? I don't think I'm getting the arrow back though. How long? Oh, yeah, it should be recharged by now. Boom. Another one down. Alright, the arrow's back. Let's just run around and dodge them. Electrification is gonna be ready soon. And here it goes. Yeah, that's not professional. Oh, I have the shock trap. I need to try and get back my arrow. Red metal. I got bright metal and I crafted arrows. Boom. Oh, yeah. Hmm. Oh, alright. Well, there is still stun particles here. I think they didn't disappear because I was too far away. Yeah, we will need to adjust a lot of things. Show. But at least the climbing is working. That's a good thing. Oh, I can climb their corpses? Wow. That's actually pretty good. Ooh. Ooh. Hmm. So, is 4 a good number though here in the play rate? Maybe let's try 6? Yeah, I think that's the last thing we're gonna adjust, and this is gonna be the end of the stream for today. I'm already pretty tired. So it does look better here. Definitely looks better here. And, I mean, yeah, I think it looks better. It looks overall better. It looks better overall, which is a good thing. So we want, or maybe we'll just quickly add a check for the... should we add a check for the ground slippery? How slippery, stiff, how flat the ground is there? Maybe. So. It's vaulting, tracing. A lot. Mean ground. Mean ground stiffness. Oh, max ground stiffness. Let's call it mean because it just makes more sense to call it mean if you think about it. Should be not, maybe not 0.5, 0.75. And the thing here is that we got a height trace, and we're just gonna add another check here. If height, where is my IntelliSense? I think I should reopen the thing. A non-procedural anime vaulting. Oh, guys, vaulting component. Oh, guys. Hey, dot. Normal. IntelliSense, please work. I need to use the UKismet math library here. Rescan. It's still scanning. Is it still scanning? Well, what? Maybe let's just update Visual Studio Code project. Maybe that's gonna help. Because I don't want to code without that thing. Oh, I've got a cooler. What do you call it? A fan, yeah. a fan on my table, and I'm just looking at it right now, and it's so cool. It's super hot right today. Super hot. So. Do you recognize it as Gizmet? It's system library, but I want math library. I don't have Ukismet math library here. I got it. Yes, I don't have it. I need to include Kismet math library. I'm gonna go Kismet math library dot vector. I think that's the thing we need. So it takes 2 vectors, and this is the normal, and this is our target vector, which is basically a vertical vector. So if this thing is more or equal than mean ground stiffness, then we're gonna proceed. In any other case, we aren't gonna do anything. Check for ground stiffness. Now let's recompile, see if it works, and just finish the stream already. Oh, I'm overheating. World outliner. Yeah, so the stream is still going. At least on my phone. Oh, what is taking so long to compile? I barely even added any code. Or maybe just because I moved everything, all of this. I don't really know how the compiler works, so all of that is just speculation. What is this thing? I can rotate these things. Yes. These black bushes, they're black because they derive the color from the runtime virtual texture, which is just not set up here. And this bush just has a custom material, I think. Yeah, it's a render material. It was specifically created for that. So now what? I cannot climb there. Wait, I cannot climb anywhere now. What? Ah. Wait, what? I need to restart the engine, yum. Oh yeah, I also have to restart the engine now. It'll take so long. I mean, at least I figured out vaulting. This is a good thing. I think I should improve the animation though. But, maybe I'll do it off camera. It's not really interesting. It looks good enough at least. Let's go to Zaris maps, third person example map. Let's open up all of these things. So yeah, now I can climb on these things. Can I climb on these things? Yep. I cannot seem to climb. Oh, yeah, I found a location where I can climb. Can I climb on this thing? So I should be able to climb here, but I'm not able to climb there, it seems. So if I... So let's just great. For an experiment. It's duplicated. Put it here. Scale it a little bit up even more. Or something like this. So here. I can't really climb on this thing. But I can climb on this one. So yeah, ground stiffness check is there. Alright, this is actually pretty good. Now let's get on this thing. Up. 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 Yep. Nice. Alright. So guess this is gonna be it for today. So let's save everything. I'll transition to the thing. Alright, so thanks everyone who has joined me today. I really appreciate it. It was fun, but just a little bit too hot. Right, so thanks to everyone. And guess we'll see you next time. Don't know when I'm gonna stream again, but maybe tomorrow, maybe not. But fine. So see you next time. Bye bye.